Buksan na natin siguro. Okay lang po bang sirain na yung paper? Okay. Our Mr. Photogenic 2010 is none other than SK. Wala pang vroom, 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 vroom. Is none other than candidate number 10, Mr. John Bert Padua. Oh, yan. Congratulations. Our next award is our Little Miss Photogenic 2010. Paka-ready na? Patingin, patingin. Diyan. Ayan, harap mo sa kanila yung picture mo. For our Little Miss Photogenic 2010 is candidate number 13, Katrina Beatriz Vasquez. Congratulations, candidate number 10 and candidate number 13 para po sa ating Little Mr. and Miss Photogenic 2010. Maraming salamat, Mr. Alvin Lugatok. At syempre, sa ating SK President Pucci Bermillo, nalaglag. Hawakan mo na lang. Thank you. Balik na tayo sa pwesto. O, picture muna daw kayo. Picture. Harap po